Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on pairing mode on your Redmi Buds 6 Pro. Whether you're setting them up for the first time or connecting them to a new device, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the charging case. If this is your first time using the Redmi Buds 6 Pro, they should automatically enter pairing mode as soon as you open the case. You'll usually see the LED indicator blinking, that means they're ready to pair. If the earbuds don't automatically enter pairing mode, here's what to do: put both earbuds back in the case. Keep the case open. Press and hold the pairing button on the case for about 2 to 3 seconds. The LED light should start blinking. That blinking light means pairing mode is now activated. And that's how you turn on pairing mode on your Redmi Buds 6 Pro. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.